Welcome back. CCP has estimated revenue hike worth 36 crores through revision of fees on trade and occupation, sanitation and residence certificate for obtaining foreign nationality. CCP has doubled fees of casinos from 5,000 rupees to 10,000 rupees per month, or an average 10% raise has been proposed on existing fees on sanitation, signboards and exhibition. CCP placed its budget on Monday.
CCP held its first meeting with newly elected Mayor Shubham Chodankar. The agenda of the meeting was budget and revision of fees and rates proposal. CCP has proposed sanitation fees of 10,000 rupees from 5,000 rupees for casinos, almost doubled. Exhibitions will now have to pay 15,000 per day from previous 10,000 rupees per day. Slaughterhouses sanitation fees increased by 600 rupees. Establishment in Kakulam Mall other than restaurant will have to pay now 700 rupees per month from 500 rupees per month. Signboard branded from 10,000 rupees per annum to 11,000 rupees per annum. Residence certificate for obtaining foreign certificate nationality from 200 rupees per certificate to 500 rupees per certificate. CCP plans to raise almost 36 crores of revenue through this revision.
All income proposed for the corporation proposed to be obtained by the corporation is 34.66 crores and a balanced budget of adequate expenditure has been proposed.
Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
There is less hope of restarting mining in Goa. Former Chief Secretary of Goa, J.C. Almeida, has opined that due to heavy taxes and the prices of low-grade iron ore at international market, it is very difficult to restart mining in Goa. Similarly, Arvind Batikar claimed that Goa government decision to close down mining activities based on Saha Commission report was a hasty decision.
Former Chief Secretary of Maharashtra D.M. Suktankar and former Chief Secretary of Goa J.C. Almeida released The Riddleless Democracy, a book penned by Arvind Bhatikar on mining industry. J.C. Almeida said that traders from outside Goa are more responsible for alleged illegal mining activities.
Can we give such doles? And if it is given to doles, then why we should not give when any industry should go on loss and close the industry? Why we should not give such doles to those workers also? How long you will give this? The mining industry, according to me, with all the taxes the state government have put, and the closure of the entire setup as such, and this economic situation all over the world, including China, I don't think the mining industry is going to start soon.
If you have suspended mining operation because of Shah Commission, how is that in the Supreme Court affidavit you are saying that majority of the findings of the Shah Commission are not acceptable to this government? If that is so, if majority of the findings of the Supreme Court are not acceptable, why did you stop the mining operations? I do not think the BJP government of the day will be able to answer these questions. There is no heritage spot declared by the UNESCO in Goa. So where is this biodiversity hotspot which Shah Commission talks about at least 10 or 15 times in the whole report?
Meanwhile, 9 mining leases have applied for consent under Air and Water Act at Goa State Pollution Control Board. Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Chetan Gavas for Prudent.
Margao New Market traders want government to come out with amicable solutions and solve problems faced by the traders. This demand comes as the association celebrates its 25 years. On the other side, Margao MLA Digambar Kamath, as the chief guest of the function, warned the market traders not to sublet their shops on rent to the outsiders.
ह्या मार्केटान आमकां ट्राफिका लागून खूब त्रास जाल्ले आसता. आमची बाजारां लेडीज जावं जेंट्स एक टॉयलेटी थंय दंपारची 1 ते 3 म्हटल्यार गर्दीच आसता. आमी म्युनिसिपालिटी कडेन कितल्या फाटी मागले 2 टॉयलेट आनी वाडोवन दिवची म्हणून. अजून म्युनिसिपालिटी आमी कानार कांय घेना.
Amid celebrations, Margao MLA and ex-Chief Minister Digambar Kamath has warned the Margao market traders against subletting the shops.
गोंयकार मनशाचो आज जो टोन आसा तो म्हजें दुकान काडप आनी भायल्या लोकांक भाड्याक घेवप, हांवें 25,000 भाडें घेवप आनी बसप किंवा आनी कितें काम करप हो जो ट्रेंड आसा हो कृपया न्यू मार्केटाक येवपाक दिनाका फाल्यां आमकां अशें दिसपाक जायना की न्यू मार्केटांतली सगळीं दुकानां रामायण ना विनोद ना आनी कोण ना आनी सगळे कोण तरी भायले लोक घेवन ताणें मार्केट कॅप्चर केलां अशें जावपाक दिनाका अशी विनंती हांव तुमचे कडेन सगळ्या कडेन करतां कितल्याय परिस्थिती वायट जाली आनी कितेंय प्रसंग आयलो जाल्यार मार्केटांतलें दुकान ही तुमची लक्ष्मी आसा अशें लक्षात दवरा आनी तिच्या सेवकांक
Power Minister Milind Naik, ex-Sports Minister Babu Asgaonkar, ex-Fatada MLA Damu Naik and others were present for the function. 35 members of the Market Association were felicitated and honoured on the occasion. Savio Dice for Prudent.
Balloting unit of EVMs, ordinary ballot papers and postal ballot papers should also contain photograph of the candidate. This order comes from Election Commission of India as an additional measure for removing confusion in the minds of electors at the time of voting. This direction for printing a photograph of the candidate on ballot paper will also apply in relation to elections by assembly members and elections from council constituencies. The order will come in force from 1st of May. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.